For these questions, you're going to complete fact families. So we've already done some addition and subtraction fact families. Now we're going to do some multiplication and division fact families. But before we do that, I want us to look at the relationships between addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. So addition and multiplication are related. Even their symbols look very similar. And they're related because they both get bigger. Both signs get bigger. When you add, you're getting bigger one time. When you multiply, you're getting bigger a number of times, 4 times. If you have bigger numbers, you're getting bigger even faster. But either way, your answer is getting bigger. The answer to either a multiplication problem or an addition problem is always going to be bigger than the other 2 digits, with the exception of if you have a 0. In the same way, subtraction and division are getting smaller. With subtraction, you're going to start at a certain amount and get smaller. With division, you're going to start at a certain amount and you're going to get smaller repeatedly. But either way, you're getting smaller. So when we look at fact families, we can apply the same thinking to multiplication that we did to addition, and we can apply the same thinking to division that we did to subtraction. So let's do number 1 because it's an addition and subtraction fact family, and we've already done some similar to this. But we remember that at the end of an addition problem, all by itself is the largest value. So in this fact family, the largest value is 6. In the same way, when you're multiplying, the largest value goes at the end of your multiplication sentence as well, just like on addition. But remember when we did subtraction, the largest digit went first at the beginning so that you could take away from it. In the same way, when you do division fact families, the largest value goes first as well so that you can divide that up. And then in addition sentences, the order of the other digits didn't really matter. You can add 1 to 5, or you can add 5 and then add 1. You can take away 5 and leave yourself with 1, or you can take away 1 and leave yourself with 5. The order of the other digits in the multiplication fact families doesn't matter either. You can take 8 and do it 10 times, or you can take 10 and do it 8 times. Either way, it's going to be 80. And with division, you can divide them up into groups of 10 and have 8 groups, or you could divide them up in groups of 8 and have 10 groups. Either way, it's the same thing. So when you do multiplication number sentences, think about the addition and subtraction number sentences because they work the same way. All right, you try some on your own, and if you need help, you can rewatch the video. Good luck.